Hey guys, what's going on? So today this showed up at the front door and I wanted to do a quick unboxing. And for anyone that knows me well, understands my odd obsession for exploring my senses for touch and smell with tech products. There's just something about the cardboard and plastics being used. Apple definitely went for more eco-friendly box, and it seems to be literally half the size from last year. I've been a fan of Apple's overall aesthetic and attention to detail for years, from the way they lay everything out in the box to the user interface. They're always thinking about simple, usable software, and it's a very clean and hassle-free experience. And I kind of hate to say that because I use an Android as my daily, and I can say it's just not as smooth and intuitive as iPhone. For anyone wondering, I like more black and dark colors on the phones. Let's set that right there. This one is actually my wife's, and I upgraded her from an iPhone 10 to this 12 Pro. Okay, another difference this year is there's no plastic around the phone itself. They stayed consistent with the frosted back. So here's the phone. Triple lens setup like last year, but this one has a LiDAR sensor, which should improve on night shots and should help the occurrence of less blurred photos. We'll just have to see how it performs in comparison to last year's 11 Pro. I'll probably do a camera test in another video. They also mentioned ultra-wide night mode, which is something that I wanted last year, so this is definitely a welcome feature. With a smaller box, you know they had to remove a few things. The user guide even looks condensed, and there's only one Apple sticker this time. Usually they throw in two. I never really use them anyways, so it doesn't matter to me. Also, there's a SIM ejection tool and a standard USB Type-C to Lightning cord. Okay, we need to address the obvious here. Apple chose not to include the charging block. Of all of its iPhones ever released, I believe that this is the first one. Not sure about most users, but a little confession, I never use those 5-watt chargers anyways, and by the time they started including the fast chargers in last year's iPhone 11 Pro, I prefer and have aftermarket multi-port chargers anyways. Another first is the omission of earpods. Again, I never really touched them out of the box since I had my own pair of better sounding earbuds. Alright, onto the phone. This year it's just a soft peel-off paper cutout, and I definitely appreciate those gray icons on the front signifying which button does what. I don't think they've done that before. Along these edges, I can already tell that this is going to be fingerprint central, but it's high-end, it's glossy stainless steel, and it's beautiful, I gotta say. And the buttons are really nice and clicky as always. It's not a huge difference, but the screen is a bit larger at 6.1 inches compared to last year's 5.8. Here's a little comparison of the 12 Pro and 11 Pro. This one right here is a XS, but it's physically the exact same screen size. You can see that it's a bit larger, but it's still manageable in one hand. And you can tell the difference in this year's gold versus the rose gold in the XS. It's more understated. I think I like that. It also seems like they're about the same thickness too. So that was just a quick unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro. I have a lot more to talk about and way more detail to go into, but I'll save that for the full review. Tell me, are you planning to upgrade? Do you think the 12 is a better purchase? Or are you going to wait for the 12 mini, which comes in a few days? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and follow me on Instagram. I'll see you in the next one.